Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the clock icon on your home screen in iPhone. So let's get started. So you'll be able to see this clock icon right over here. If you're bored of it, you can simply long press on it and then you'll be able to see numerous options right over here. At the top, you'll be able to see icons. So you can simply click on this one right over here and the app icon will be changed to a widget. So now if you want to revert back to your original icon, you can simply long press on it again and click on right over here, and now you can see that the clock icon has been reverted. Now if you want some more detailed kind of clock icons, you can simply long press on any empty space on your home screen and you'll be able to see an edit button right at the top left. Here you're going to click on add widget and you'll be redirected to your widget library. You're going to go to the search widget option and search for clock. Here is clock. You can simply click on it and you'll be able to see numerous clock options that you can select from. For example, I'm going to go with the detailed one that is at the end. You can simply click on it or click on add widget right over here and you'll be able to see that the clock icon has appeared. You can position it wherever you want on the screen, and once done, simply click on done at the top right. And if you wish to customize it further, you can long press on it and you can select any icon you want. For example, I'm going to click on this one and you can see that the icon has changed. And if you wish to remove it, you can long press on it and click on remove widget, click on remove again. And that's basically how you can change clock icons on iPhone home screen. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.